I'm Deirdre Pilch. I'm the superintendent of the Greeley-Evans School District 6, and I am proudly representing the Paul Clubhouse for Boys and Girls Club. I started out pretty insecure and pretty, clumsy and uncomfortable. I'm still clumsy, but I'm not as insecure and uncomfortable. Keegan and Jordan from Country Kick Up are coaching me along the way. My dance partner is he's really wonderful, and he's a really very nice, kind, supportive young man. Gives me lots of encouragement, I get one thing right and he's like, good job. I think one of the strengths I have is that I'm really comfortable in my own skin in terms of being in front of people. It's something I have to do a lot. I'm usually not dancing, however. Dance is not what I typically do, so that's a weakness. I'm a little clumsy on the dance floor, it would seem. I thought I was a better dancer than I am. I care about Boys and Girls Club, and I care about the young people and their families in this community. There's just no greater cause than changing the life of a young person, and that's what Boys and Girls Club is doing here in our communities. They are changing lives. People should vote for me because I care. Because I care so deeply, and I'm kind of competitive. I like a good competition, so I'm going to give it my all, and I'm going to have a good time, and so vote for me, and let's raise some money for the Paul Clubhouse.